At the end of the day of muzzle loading, I always tell people to field clean. And someone once asked me, what does that mean to field clean? So I'm going to show you guys. So when I talk about field clean, you're going to take a patch. Now you can take this, you can dip it in water, you can stick it in your mouth. I'll actually, when I know I'm getting near my last shot, I'll take 3 or 4 patches and just throw them in my mouth. Just put them in my cheek and get them wet. And I just go down the bore, little short scrubbing motions. Don't jam the rod all the way down, because there's a bunch of buildup, there's a bunch of gunk, and if you jam the rod all the way to the bottom, it's going to get stuck, especially if you've been shooting a lot. And so short strokes, wet patch, going to grab that gunk. I've actually only had 1 shot through this. I've been cleaning every shot. So same thing, and you can get a little more aggressive with your strokes once you got, you know, a couple patches down. You kind of, it's a feel, you get a feel for it, guys. And so, but we're going to go down, and see it's still sticky down there at the bottom even after 1 patch, front and back. And I call this field cleaning. And you're gonna go all the way down and all the way back up. Boom, boom, 2 patches. I got a 3rd one here that's, I've only used 1 side. Gonna go down and back, and every patch gets a little less dirty. Always make sure you see this thing starting to come loose. Always make sure you keep an eye on that, and never ever twist your rod when you're using a muzzleloader, guys. Straight down, straight back up. Don't twist your rod, because this thing comes unscrewed down in your barrel and it's a problem. So anyway, that's a field cleaning, and what that does is that gets 95% of your residue out of here. And that means that you're not sitting here collecting moisture and worried about this thing starting to try to corrode on you before you get home. So field clean it. And then, so like right now, it's 1:35 in the afternoon. If I don't clean this till 7, 8, 9 at night, I don't feel bad. I got most of the crud out. Whereas if you don't do that field cleaning and you wait that long, you're already getting moisture in your barrel. Is it going to rust that quick? No, this is a stainless steel gun, but you know, you get most of that crud out at the range with a patch. It makes it a lot easier at home to clean. So anyway, that's a field cleaning. I don't know if that helps anybody, but I wanted to show it to you guys.